innings, 3 balls to be bowled, 3 runs, and Cole Rackham will make his way to the wicket. What a finish, what a match. Sono Bell hitting across the line. Judge WW for 39. Imran Khan to Carl Rackham. Swing and a miss. Oh, the pressure mounts. Wasn't a good delivery.
Wasn't a good shot.
Well, the style was there. There wasn't any contact. In comes Imran Khan. Bowling! Wow, what a finish. Rackham and clean bowled by Imran. 1 ball to be bowled. 2 runs for victory, and it's going to be the veteran Terry Alderman to face the music. What a finish. As Alderman takes guard. Indicado on the Pakistan manager. He's bringing his fieldsman in a couple of places at deep mid-wicket.
Where is Javed?
Well, the 12th man, Shoaib Mohammed's coming out on the field. There was a message, he's been sent back. It's all happening at the Sydney Cricket Ground, and there's nobody at mid-wicket. The last delivery from Imran to Terry Alderman. And he's missed it. So it's all over. Great victory.